Have you ever crawled into bed tired to your bones, yet your mind refuses to turn off? You toss, you turn, you glance at the clock, 1 a.m., then 2:30, and wonder, why can't I sleep like I used to? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of seniors struggle with restless nights, early waking, and feeling drained no matter how long they stay in bed. But here's the good news. Your sleep problems aren't permanent, and they don't require sleeping pills or complicated routines. In fact, just 3 simple bedtime habits, backed by science and beloved by seniors who've regained deep, refreshing sleep, can help you sleep like you're 30 again. Let's dive into them. 1. The magnesium secret. Nourish your sleep from the inside out. Let's start with something you probably haven't thought about since your doctor last mentioned minerals. Magnesium. Magnesium isn't just another supplement. It's your body's natural relaxer. Think of it as a gentle hand that tells your muscles, you can rest now. It calms your nerves, steadies your heartbeat, and even helps your brain produce melatonin, the hormone that controls your sleep-wake cycle. But here's the catch. As we age, our magnesium levels drop. We absorb less from food, and medications for blood pressure or diabetes can drain it further. The result? Tight muscles, anxious thoughts, and light, fragmented sleep. Many seniors who started taking magnesium, either through food or supplements, say it changed everything. Instead of waking up stiff or groggy, they describe feeling peacefully heavy, like their body finally remembered how to relax. So how do you get this magic mineral naturally? Start with magnesium-rich foods. A handful of almonds or walnuts in the evening, a small bowl of spinach or avocado with dinner, even a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds on your salad. And if you'd rather take a supplement, magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate are gentle on the stomach and absorb well. Just remember, magnesium works best when taken consistently, about an hour before bed, with water or a light snack. It's not a sleeping pill. It's a signal to your body that rest is coming. Imagine drifting to sleep naturally, no tossing, no racing mind, just calm, deep rest. That's what balanced magnesium can help you rediscover. 2. The no-screen rule. Reclaim your night from blue light. Now let's talk about a modern sleep thief that hides in plain sight. Your screens. Phones, tablets, TVs, they all emit blue light, which tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime. When that happens, your body stops making melatonin, your natural sleep hormone. It's like trying to fall asleep under a bright sun lamp. You may think, but I only scroll for a few minutes before bed. Even a few minutes can reset your internal clock, delaying your body's signal to sleep by hours. Here's the secret habit many well-rested seniors swear by, the 1-hour no-screen rule. It's simple. For at least 1 hour before bed, no screens, no exceptions. Instead, create a soothing pre-sleep ritual. Dim the lights. Play soft instrumental music or nature sounds. Read a few pages of a physical book or magazine, not an e-book. Or try journaling. Write down 3 good things that happened today. This small ritual tells your body, the day is done. It's time to rest. Within a week or 2, your brain starts responding automatically. You'll notice your eyelids growing heavy around the same time each night. No more lying awake waiting for sleep to arrive. Some seniors even set their phones to sleep mode an hour before bedtime, turning the screen gray and silent. It's a powerful cue. Your digital world goes quiet, and your body follows. Remember, sleep isn't just about shutting your eyes. It's about disconnecting from stimulation. When you give your brain a break from blue light and mental noise, you give it permission to relax, recharge, and restore. So tonight, power down early. You'll be amazed how peaceful the world feels when the only light left is the soft glow of your bedside lamp. 3. Deep breathing. The 4-7-8 method that switches off your stress. Now for my personal favorite, the habit that has helped thousands of seniors fall asleep naturally without medication. It's called the 4-7-8 breathing technique, and it's your body's built-in sedative, developed by Dr. Andrew Weil. This method slows your heart rate, calms your nervous system, and lowers blood pressure, all of which are essential for deep sleep. Here's how it works. Inhale quietly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. That's 1 cycle. Repeat it 4 times. As you breathe, Imagine releasing your day, the noise, the worries, the tension in your shoulders. With each exhale, you're letting go. At first, it might feel a little forced, but within a few nights, something remarkable happens. Your body starts to